Miguel Cardoso and Mamelodi Sundowns face a massive challenge in the 2026-27 season as they look to honor the memory of the late Jaden Adams with success on the pitch. The Brazilians are set for one of their busiest campaigns yet, competing in 8 different competitions across domestic, continental and international football. Sundowns will enter the new season as defending Betway Premiership champions and reigning CAF Champions League winners, with expectations higher than ever. The club will compete in the MTN 8 Carling Knockout, Nedbank Cup, Betway Premiership, CAF Super Cup, CAF Champions League, the FIFA Intercontinental Cup and the African Football League. With so many trophies up for grabs, the team will be determined to make the season a special one and pay tribute to Adams through their performances and achievements. How many trophies do you think Sundowns can win next season? Share your predictions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.